What's the meaning of bray? Bray. Bray.
Bray. Bray. The word bray typically refers to the harsh, loud, and unpleasant sound that a donkey makes. It is a result of the air being forced through the donkey's vocal cords and then resonating in its nasal cavities. The braying sound can often be heard from afar and may indicate the presence of a donkey in the vicinity. In figurative usage, bray can also refer to a person's loud, harsh, and often annoying speech or laughter. Overall, bray refers to a strong and distinctive sound that is not necessarily pleasant to hear.